Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make this half-sphere hem very easy and on a budget. This pressing tool for bust darts can be quite useful whether you make dress, top or a lingerie set. For lingerie making, this hem is absolutely must-have. To make this tailor's hem, we will need one foam craft ball. You can find them in almost every craft store. It is very popular. Mine is 12 centimeters in diameter. It's a little bit more than 4.5 inches. They are available smaller and bigger, up to 15, and I even saw on internet up to 20 centimeters. You choose what fits your shapes the best, and if you make lingerie, you can use your bra boning as a guide. Then we will need some aluminum foil, insulation for winter jackets. It can have different thickness, it will work both ways. You just need to know that this material will be pressed and will not have such volume in the end. Here I have thinner but denser insulation, and I will use this one. Then we will need a piece of cotton jersey, any light color. You can use an old t-shirt, for example. Then we need a wooden base the same diameter as our sphere. It doesn't matter how thick it is. You can find something like this in a craft store, or I personally just asked my dad to cut one for me. And additional tools like threads and needle, pins, and some glue to attach our wooden base. We will need some sharp knife as well. Let's start. At first we need to cut in half our sphere. I followed the existing seam on my ball. You can use a knife or a saw. It is quite easy to cut through this polystyrene ball. After this, I created a dent in my half sphere with a knife. We need to create this dent so that we can hide excessive fabric tails inside. Talking from the experience, this dent can be even wider and deeper. Now we need to wrap this half sphere with 2-3 layers of aluminum foil. It should work as heat protection for this foam material. You can cut off the excess in the middle and help yourself to smooth this foil with a spoon. I personally ended up with 3 layers. After it's done, we need to wrap our form with an insulation layer. Help yourself with pins if you need, and try to redistribute folds that are creating on the edges. Now you need to make a hand stitch to pull the ends together. You kind of need to tighten the material. I will make another round with the hand stitch and I will fix the ends. All these tails that were created in the middle you can easily trim. First layer is ready, and you can use an iron and attention cloth in between to make bottom a little bit more flat. Here I wanted to show you how it would look if I would use another type of insulation. It would create almost no folds on the edges. Now I will make another layer of insulation fabric, and how many layers, it very much depends on the material that you have. I made 2 layers. After it's done, use an iron to reduce folds on the sides and on the bottom. And now we need to wrap our tailor's hem with 2 layers of a cotton jersey. It might be only 1 layer if your fabric is quite thick. I need to stretch my jersey on this half sphere. Like this it will create less or at all no folds on the edges. In the end it will look very accurate. And again, I fix everything with a thread, making the end few stitches to fix layers together. Now our tool is almost ready and we just need to glue our hem to the wooden base. If you use hot glue like I do, you need to work fast. And it's ready. You can use a rope to fill up the gap if it's available. To make this tailor's pressing board for cups, I had to buy only a craft ball and some jacket insulation. In the end, it cost me only 3 euros. If you found this small tutorial interesting or helpful, you can click a like button. This small action really helps my channel to grow and it gives me a feedback about my videos. And I see you very soon. Bye!